Okay. I'm putting a stainable wood filler right here on this part to try to make it look less terrible. And then we'll sand it and then stain it. Hopefully it will all blend in well with the countertop. So clean. Yep. Clean it up. We need to go do our errands.
I know I do. I do know that.
Almost Sadie feeding time and she doesn't have any food.
Okay, we'll go.
Need help?
Not yet. I really want to go every single one of them. Right and left, right and left.
Me too. Why must we be tortured this way?
Why am I being irritated? Not that they're not irritated, but
It's just too much. Like
they don't.
they're way too damn close to us for one thing. No one should be that close. Speaking of close, last night we went out for our anniversary. We went to the best restaurant around.
Yeah, the only.
The only
The best and
restaurant
only.
worth going to. Buena Vista Mexican Cantina. The salsa, the queso, the margaritas. Everything is exquisite. And we had a great time. And I'm a little slow this morning getting started. But we have a big day ahead. We have to go to Home Depot and get things. We need to go to Walmart and get food for Sadie.
Yeah, we need a bunch of wood and stuff from Home Depot. Home Depot. It's so convenient. We're not too far from Home Depot where we are. We have some returns. We got this table saw, but it's very tiny and it's not doing as good job. It's a little flimsy. Gonna return that and get some more tools and stuff.
Favorite wall paneling.
Yeah.
Cedar planking.
You can make a beautiful van with these.
Yes. Super lightweight, not too expensive, and they smell
wood,
good.
Like it's cedar.
Cedar wood, it's antimicrobial, antibacterial. Now we need the things for the tile
Yeah.
corner things.
These
I don't
ones
know what
should
to
be
call them. Something like
PVC mold. Yeah.
PVC molding. Yeah, small, something small. It needs to be like a triangle.
You want a corner like this, or maybe this?
Is there anything smaller?
There's this model too.
No, I like the curve, like this style.
Like the curved style.
Yeah, this is what I wanted, but this just seems a little big.
That's the best.
Okay, well.
Getting one? Or do you want to make with wood?
Well, do they have small wood like that?
Look right here. Yeah, I think that's enough for what we need.
Yeah. That should be plenty enough. That's perfect. Yay!
You'll paint it.
And we'll just paint it. These are the different kinds. Which one do we use? Do we use hardwood, plywood, softwood, wood, fiber, utility, or hobby?
I think it's hardwood one.
Just the hardwood one?
Yeah, the birch plywood.
Premium.
How are you doing? Show me what you're doing.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm just filming.
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you was...
oh, scanning?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Like, how is she doing that?
No.
Oh, I don't want to be on film.
We're just making a video.
So, this sandy is already pre-sanded. We're looking for birch. Birch is this, so it's super smooth. But we're looking for a half inch, so which is this size, but we need 50-25 by 11. Continues. We got all our stuff and from Home Depot, and Valerie got the cat food for Sadie.
Sadie will be happy.
And also we got human food from Zaxby's. As you see, we ate them. Now we're going back, and there's a ton of stuff we have to do. As you can see, all these new tools and woods and stuff. We're gonna build back to the project.
Enjoying this rare moment of peace and quiet. Mary's cutting the cabinet, and I am sanding and painting the cabinets.
I'm the cutter, she's the painter.
Yeah. And Sadie is the cat. We're using foam board under the saw so that when the blade goes through the wood, it doesn't cut the table. It just goes through the foam.
And also it allows you to do clamping.
Yeah, and we can also attach this to it and create a straight line to cut.
Yeah, so we're measuring the distance between
the edge of the saw and the blade.
yeah, this distance, either side, whichever side you want to use. This is 1.5.
Draw a line.
Yeah, 1x4, 1.5, like a quarter. So I made the distance already measured, and the track is where it's supposed to be. Securing it after final adjustment. Clamp it hard, and in this one I might need your help holding the board, so, or
Okay.
actually holding this. What is Valerie doing?
Painting.
Damn painting. Look at that. Beautiful.
Perfection.
It's like, how are you so good at this?
Just,
I'm serious.
I
Like
mean, it's all in the wrist. It's just,
the wrist movement. What kind of
Yeah.
wrist movement is that?
it's just the
The-
smooth strokes. You know, not too hard, not too soft.
Wow. I think I always do it so super hard.
That's all there is to it.
And yeah, look at that. So they're drying right now?
Yes. They're drying.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Keep on painting. Gonna do some cabinet. Oh, Granddaddy.
Oh no, Granddaddy.
Granddaddy was on my feet.
What's up, Granddaddy?
Hey, Granddaddy. This is your grandson. You wanna say hi to Vlog? Granddaddy? There's millions and millions followers watching you right now, Granddaddy. Do you have any piece of advice for this young generation doing Vanlife?
Just don't step on me. Neri has something to show me.
Yep.
What is it?
Well, see it with your own eyes.
Oh, look at that. That looks so good.
Yeah,
It's so crisp.
Stole it from Louis the Van.
Yeah, we stole it from Louise the Van. This was not our idea.
I mean, I never actually liked the bungee idea until seeing theirs, because bungee sounds so trashy to me for some reason.
Well, I've seen it done really well. I mean, if you do it right, it looks good, and it's functional. You just kind of move it around to put your things in there, and it keeps it from falling out.
Yeah.
And instead of having cabinet faces, whatever these are called, cabinet doors, here, it kind of opens it up a little bit. It's not as bulky, kind of lightens things up, yeah.
And check out the fan. Amazing fan.
Oh, that's what you wanted to show me?
Well, that wasn't
the dirty fanless fan.
Fanless fan. We're gonna have to clean that like a lot, because not before there was the fan, the ventilation thing, the propeller.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's not there, so we can clean it better.
Oh, okay.
The other thing.
Okay.
See if you can notice.
Oh, I see. Oh, wow.
It's not done, of course.
Wow, that's
just
cute.
put it
That's
there.
cute. Oh.
Go get a feel for it.
I can stand on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure it's strong enough?
Yeah, it is strong enough.
Feels like
It's flexible enough. I
break
made
it.
it flexible. So it's definitely strong enough, don't worry.
Okay. Because...
Do not worry. Don't you worry.
Yeah. That's cool.
It made it a little taller.
Yeah.
That's the only thing, but at least...
We still are short enough to not hit our heads on anything.
And this is like, you know, still there's 4 inches.
Yeah. Cool.
And this brought me another idea. I don't know if we should do it or not. Since these planks, polyurethane and all that, I mean, we can easily make all this bottom, like whole, you know, all that square thing and all the bottom, just the polyurethane pieces like this. It's up to you if you want to do it. I'm game for it.
I don't really care. I mean,
yeah,
it's fine as it is.
Okay, that's good enough then. Well, I took the, of course, nature set, so we need to do deep cleaning.
So is this just gonna be stain? It's not gonna be polyurethane.
Let's do stain and polyurethane. Oh, you have to polyurethane.
Okay. Well, every time I see someone else's, they don't polyurethane. It's just stain.
No, this is for water. You know, you don't want to mess with wood exposed to water as it is, and we don't have a good ventilation system here.
Okay.
So it's important.
Because we don't want to mess with that, since it's so easy for wood to
so
the van to mold.
And we need to get one more white piece from Home Depot.
Okay.
And this is your project. Like you will send it and stain and polyurethane.
Oh, fun.
This is your expertise.
Yep.
And of course I wrapped up a little bit there, just made it look a little better. We're gonna put the cabinets. I added this piece and put that, and just did a little bit of filling around the edges and here. But you might need to do a lot more filling and then sanding.
Yeah,
all the
sand this and all that and paint it.
Yeah, all the cabinets are out, so you can do all what you need. Gonna take this out for now and then put it outside. And I don't think I have anything to deal with anywhere, so it's all yours. Inside you can stain them. Valerie's working hard on those cabinet faces.
this is the last time I'm gonna work on it too.
Yeah, when we painted yesterday, or she painted, there were some dust on it, I think fly on it somehow,
Some
fuzz, and she had to re-sand the faces, but
resand, repaint.
recent repaint, and I had to cut some other trimming, so she's also touching up on those. She's cleaning Nuri's mess as well.
Yep.
As her own mess. Lots of mess, and I'm cleaning these mess right here, our Max Air fan screen, and look at that blade. It's like from ancient times, the artifact of Max Air fan.